Hey Java developers, welcome back to GLO Tech. Today, I'm diving into something fundamental, Java typecasting. If you want to master efficient and flexible Java programs, you need to get this down. So let's jump right in. First up, what is typecasting? Essentially, typecasting is the process of converting a value from one primitive data type to another. And in Java, there are two types of casting. Number one, widening casting, also known as automatic conversion. This happens when you convert a smaller data type into a larger one. The order goes like this: byte to short to char to int to long to float to double. Here's a quick example. Public class main. See how smooth that was? Now let's talk about narrowing casting or manual conversion. This is when you convert a larger data type into a smaller one. The order double to float to long to int to char to short to byte. This requires a bit more work. Public class main, simple, right? Now let's see a real-life example of typecasting in action. Imagine calculating a score percentage in a game. Int max score equals sign 500, int user score equals sign 423, float percentage equals sign, float, user score, max score asterisk 100.0f, system out dot println, user's percentage is plus percentage. Why use typecasting here? By casting 2, we ensure the division is performed with floating point precision, giving us a more accurate percentage. Pretty neat, huh? Enjoyed this lesson? Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment your thoughts below. Stay tuned for more Java tutorials on GLO Tech.